Yeah, we've been messing around for a couple of days.
Hi, Bubba. Hey. What do you... Did you pay for that? Well, technically you did. It's your money. That's why we let you guys do it at checkout. Give me the receipt so I can keep track of your bills, sir. Can you get in your seat? How's the move going for you, Jamie? Fantastic. The rain is shifting my car and fucking trailer and all the garbage at the dump. Fantastic.
Fantastic. Mickey's terrified.
I'm gonna be terrified too. You can see out the roof.
And you can open your smelling fully. Ah!
Yeah, Maverick?
You would not open that skylight fully, Mom.
No.
You would not.
That's why I had to come in here, because there's too much shit flying and I'm not getting wet. I knew it was gonna hit though because the clouds were going white and gray. I just didn't know whether it was gonna be rain or...
What? Pieces of hair just flew on my
Earth. It's raining right there? Yancy, why are you buckled?
He is so lucky. He would be so good now. He will.
Move that shit. Fuck. I'm.
The rain's so heavy you can't even see this thing backing up.
Oh.
I don't know where he's going.
Knocking down the dumpsters.
No, he might be picking that up. Oh no, he's probably backing it. You're fine, Jay. I don't know what blew in my shirt though. That was gross. It's like dirt.
Moving. Guilty pleasures you don't even have to feel guilty about. Like that thing that famous person did that they shouldn't have done, but they did
In the van? At least we're heading into the lane. That is just still lightning. Run away! Like Finding Nemo tells us. What is in Havana, Looks like a dragon looking down.
Better be open.
I don't really understand what we're going through.
To get out of the fucking rain.
I know that, but I never
Underground
knew.
parking.
Oh, okay. That way that's small. They should be open. This way because I keep seeing lightning only on the front window. Now you want to shoot on that side when I'm trying to film. You know what? It doesn't want me to get the light. I don't physically want to hold it, but I want that. I'm gonna freak in the bed. up like this.
Take that, rewind it back. Ursher,
Ursher. I don't know why he said it like that.
Take that, rewind it back. Ludacris got the flow to make your booty go.
Clap.
Take that, rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go.
Clap. Back when this was a big collab. Now we have like 20 people on a collab.
Those are closed.
Are they?
So in case you missed it on a Friday, we got our hands on a brand new album from the one, the only Harry Styles. I am a huge Harry fan. I love this album. I think this could be the album of the summer, and to get you excited for the new tunes from Harry, I've got five.
Kind of got like a little rainbow going on over here. Hey, on the skyline. I'm not getting a good picture of it, but I can see it rainbow. Can you see it? Where are the colors?
Should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: the city of Hamilton, Waterloo, Wellington, the city of Toronto, York, Durham, Halton, and Peel. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing destructive wind gusts and up to tsunami-size hail. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.
Uh-oh, guys. See what I mean? We're just gonna go around it for now. There's no power line, at least out here. No, it's people putting it. There's a little hole right there, though. Like it's going under the field.
I don't know why they damned it.
So it was all continued to the other one before?
It was always like a small street.
Weird. Whoa! I know, it fell.
What was that? Is that a sign or something?
They had a little garden or something out front. It had like all these Canadian flowers, I think. It was a flower. I'm gonna walk away to me.